welcome to Mr. and Mr. Tulwa. So you are seeing here something different setup because today we are playing Telepathy Challenge. So everyone doing, so we are also today trying this Telepathy Challenge. Telepathy words came from ancient Greek. So telepathy means like someone mind think and another guy is explaining. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Okay. So you'll see here the three different juices. So now I will select first small to big.
Big.
So first one is
Me.
yes.
Janamika.
Janamika.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Now Janamika will select her favorite juice. Janamika, show to audience which is your favorite. Show all other. Which is Janamika favorite one? Show up. Show up. Janamika, show your favorite. So all guys are fine. Your favorite is this one.
Because dates has a new health and vitamin C. I don't know, but I love it.
She love it. I love it.
I love this flavor.
You get it right. Why you think that is her favorite?
Because it's so tasty. I love chocolate, but chocolate or strawberry milk. If you don't have strawberry milk, I choose chocolate.
You thought-
she always buys strawberry only. Now I don't know why she chose dates.
And she got confused. This one chocolate or not?
Why you selected strawberry?
I thought her favorite is strawberry, so that's not.
So this is first round is done. Now
Second.
selection. Yeah, selection is Shivatvika.
Yes.
So Shivatvika, show to audience which is your favorite.
Okay, choose.
Oh, you choose right.
Choose.
Okay. Other guys show to camera. Okay. And okay. Yes. Oh! You guys are great, yeah. Why your strawberry is favorite?
Because I love both chocolate and strawberry. So if you have chocolate, I will choose chocolate only. Today strawberry milk my favorite, chocolate also my favorite, so I choose strawberry.
Oh yeah. You know her favorite strawberry?
Yeah,
How you know?
because when my mother's telling to buy like a milkshake like this juice, I always watch her. She bought this strawberry.
Oh, you
So
noted that time.
I always brought sometimes. First I always take a strawberry. My sister will take a chocolate, but now she will get a strawberry. I will take chocolate. Chocolate.
How you know?
Usually she like more chocolates. Here no chocolates, no those. I just took.
So here is selection is strawberry only. So you selected.
Yes.
Now turn is Mrs. Tulwa, right?
So
Tell Mrs. Tulwa which is your favorite juice.
I can't. I'll just show it.
Okay. So guys, which is she showed? Okay. You also up. Okay, yours now up.
Oh.
My God! How you missed this?
Because I thought auntie is doing like this. When auntie is doing like a straight, then I thinking auntie is choosing. like this.
She make me select that thing that juice only. Okay. How you know?
If I love the strawberry, she likes it because sweet was same.
Your tastes are both same. So your favorite is strawberry?
No. Actually, usually I love chocolates, but here no option. That's what I choose strawberry.
So this round is done. Now second round is round 2. Now turn is Janavika. Okay, Janavika, show to audience your favorite one. Shown right? Okay. You guys are show up. Chocolate which one? Okay. You also show Janavika. Janavika, show your favorite one. Oh, she.
I like it.
Why is your Kit Kat his favorite?
In Nabate they add and put like a chocolate. Then they'll write Kit Kat. It will be taste.
That's
why I brought
So
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat is always your favorite.
Yep.
Okay.
And break.
Break. Why you don't know? Why you fail?
Usually they will like milk bar, so that's what I just choose to milk bar.
So you got hit then. How you know her favorite is Kit?
I know her since she was small here. She always buy Kit Kat only. I say take any chocolate. I want Kit Kat. In India it costs like 80 rupees. I couldn't buy anything. Because of this it waste.
Ah.
That's why she loves me. I know that.
Now turn is Shivatmika. Shivatmika, show to audience your favorite one. Okay, Shivatmika shown. Now you guys are show to audience. Okay, lift up. Oh, these both are fine. These both are fine. Why your favorite is this chocolate?
I know she chose this chocolate. I know that auntie will choose this only. That's why I chose this.
So you read her minds.
Yeah, and this is cute and tiny. You can put it in our pocket.
How you file?
Because I love Kit Kat, but
Huh?
I don't know. She loves this photo, but it is not looking like a her. But
Oh.
I don't know. That's why.
Okay. How you filed?
I just milk bar. I don't know which brand she like.
So you just randomly selected.
Yes.
Okay. Now turn is Mr. Tudua. Mr. Tudua, tell the audience which is favorite one. Okay. Both are lift. Yes. No. Mr. Tudua lift.
I don't like milk bar.
Okay, guys. So now this round is closed, ended. Now we'll go to next round. Yes. So now third turn come.
We are so excited.
So third round, Janavika, show to your favorite one. Yes. Okay. All of that show to audience. Which is Janavika selected? Show. Yeah. She failed. She already showed her favorite one. Why you failed? Why is your favorite one? This one, blue color.
Because it has a taste.
Okay. Other legs also have taste.
No, this is salt.
Because this one is a tomato ketchup, no?
So tomato ketchup your favorite?
It is so sweet.
Tomato
I'm the
ketchup.
favorite one.
Okay. Okay. So how you know her favorite is?
She loved masala, salt. She told in yes or no challenge.
Yeah.
This girl told there. So she told that she loved tomato ketchup. That's included. She chose this. She loves tomato ketchup. She
Ah.
didn't plain.
So she always love tomato ketchup. So tomato ketchup is your favorite.
Yep.
Okay. So you don't know her favorite. Oh, so that's what you got. Big hit. She was my favorite one. To audience. Okay, short right? Okay, done. Okay. Which is Shivakmika selected show, guys. Okay, and Mrs. Tudua. Again, Mrs. Tudua. Now turn is Mrs. Tudua. So show to audience your favorite one. Okay. Show guys Mrs. Tudua which is selected. Okay. Okay. Show me which one is selected. We came with the books. Okay. So don't get confused. It's not exam. So here small questions I will ask. They will write their answers. So first question is Janavika favorite international location. They need to guess. Okay. What is your wrote?
Okay.
So you wrote Oman.
Yeah.
Okay. What you wrote?
UAE.
So which is your favorite location?
Water park in Oman.
Oh, so she failed. Now turn is Shivakmi. Right, your this location. She already wrote. So do you have any guess? What name she write?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Right.
No guess. Any guess?
Right from Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. Okay. Guess.
I think Oman.
Oman. Okay. What you selected?
Disneyland.
Disneyland.
My dream it is. When I grow up, I can go.
Where you saw that location?
I just see it. Everyone said that's nice. I saw Mickey Mouse like that. So I get excited to go. It's my dream and I'll achieve this.
Yeah, very good. Now turn is Mr. Tudua. Okay, you're right? Okay, you have any guess which is our favorite location?
I think Dubai.
Okay. You have any guess?
I choose UAE.
UAE.
No.
So which is your favorite now?
Switzerland.
Our favorite location is Switzerland.
Oh,
Okay. So filed.
do again.
Do again.
You need that.
Till here our rounds are closing. I hope you guys are enjoyed. And what about you? You
Enjoy.
Very fun.
So which is your favorite?
Which
I love most. I love juice. I love.
Which is the one favorite?
Only one.
Only one.
I know everything. I think juice. Strawberry
Juice.
juice.
Okay. Which is your favorite one?
Kit Kat chocolate and juice.
No, only one.
Kit Kat.
So Kit Kat is your favorite. Here is juice. And which is your favorite one? Game?
Chips.
No, only which place is
Location is your favorite.
Yeah.
Wow. If you ask me, I like so much here. Eating like this.
All are
So,
enjoyed, right?
Yeah, we all enjoyed and we're wrapping here our game, today's game. So anything you have to say, guys?
And be safe. Okay.
Yes.
You see this and do with your family and friends. Okay. Next Sunday we all come and
Yes.
play a game
Yeah.
soon. In Sunday.
Yes, we'll catch up Sunday.
Be safe and be kind to your parents and your friends. Be friends with your friends and kind to your teacher. If you want to play this game, comment in your below. Who's going to win? Comment in below. Be safe and
Enjoy.
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 You try it in home and family friends. You can try it in your home. Be safe,
enough.
okay?
Enough.
Enough.
Then we can see.
So if you want this kind of more content, more videos, so don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay guys, bye bye.
Bye.